Hello everyone, welcome to the Appsbd tutorial. This video will show how can you affiliate the Appsbd products. Let's dive into it. If you're new to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you're already a subscriber, we sincerely appreciate your support. First, you have to visit appsbd.com. Then at the bottom of the footer, you will get a Need Help menu for the affiliate program. Click on it. It will open a new tab. Here you will get the Appsbd affiliate program page. It's so simple to understand. Appsbd now offer 30% commission of each product sale. But the 30% commission may be changed in the future. Let's explore how you can join our affiliate program. We've partnered with Impact Radius for our affiliate marketing initiatives. Impact Radius is a marketing technology platform that provides affiliate marketing and partner management solutions. It helps businesses to manage their affiliate programs, track performance, and optimize partnerships with affiliates and other marketing partners. Now, you just need to create only one account on Impact Radius. After that, if Appsbd comes with any new product, then you don't need to register for the product again. You can promote our all products and also upcoming products when it's available. To apply on here, you need to register here. But if you already have an account, then simply log in and click on the login button. The application will auto-fill up when you log in. If you don't have the account on Impact, then you have an option to sign up with your social account. You just need to click on the social network account. But if you don't have social account or don't want to log in with social account, then you need to fill the registration form for sign up. It's a simple form with some section. First section is your information. Here you have to fill up your name, email, username and password. Then company information. Here you have to give display name, company URL, country, address, city, street, zip, phone number, currency, time zone. Then on promotional information you have to give business model and property type. After that, read the agreement carefully. After filling this form, you are good to go for the sign up. After verifying the email, you can log in on it. But as I have already an account, so I will click on the login button. After login, you will get a link to generate an option. You can choose any product from them. You will get all product details on the WordPress plugin menu. Click on the menu. Here you get best support system, elite licenser, VitePos, minicart and more. We select here VitePos, so we click on the read more button. On this VitePos website we get the pricing menu. Click on it and copy the URL. Now on the Impact panel. On the right side you get a create and share link section. On here you must have to select Appsbd affiliate for generate link for the promotion. Then on below paste the VitePos link on the empty field and click on the create. It will generate a new link which is your affiliate link for Appsbd. Now copy it and open the link on new tabs. If someone buys the product by visiting the generated link, then you will get a 30% commission after fulfill the agreement. That concludes our overview of the how can you affiliate the Appsbd products. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.